It's day 4 of my week-long series reviewing fragrances from the house of Etat Libre D'orange, and today's scent of the day is called You or Someone Like You, and it's part of the brand's classic collection. So to find out what this one's all about and whether or not I think it's a hit or a miss, stay tuned to this episode of Mags Frags. Yes, hello again everybody and welcome to another episode of Mags Frags. I'm Paul, and like I said in the intro, today's featured scent is called You or Someone Like You, which came out in 2017 and is described as a citrus aromatic fragrance for men and women. It's an eau de parfum concentration and it comes in a 50ml and a 100ml bottle size. And I picked this 100ml bottle up with a 43% discount from the All Beauty website, and I paid £72.95 for it, which I don't think is too bad considering that this is a high-end niche fragrance. Okay, so into the presentation, and this one comes in the classic style gloss white box with black branding, but this one gets a dark blue and light blue bullseye motif instead of the regular red and blue one. On the front is the name of the fragrance and the house, as well as the size and the concentration down at the bottom. At the top we've got an embossed, it's quite a faint logo, but it's like an embossed logo there, and then at the back we've got some product information, and finally at the bottom is where you'll find your batch code and your barcode, and you can see the batch code on there. It's F22S235B. The bottle comes in a fairly minimalistic design in this square shape and clear glass, and the branding on the front is just a sticker, so not the most high-end presentation, but it looks decent enough and it's functional. You get a chrome cap containing the brand logo at the top there, and it is a click-on cap, so it does click quite firmly into place. Underneath that there is a chrome atomizer, and it does deliver a fairly decent, nice even distribution, quite smooth actually, but the presentation overall, like the one that I reviewed yesterday, there's nothing too excited about this one, but it is functional and it does feel fairly good quality. Okay, so into the note breakdown. The top notes in this are mint, grapefruit, bergamot and anise. The heart notes are green notes, cassis, rose and edion, and the base note in this one is white musk. Okay, so this one opens up very crisp and fresh with a really prominent mint note, as well as a really sparkling grapefruit note as well. It's really bright and refreshing with a watery aquatic scent profile, and this will make you think of maybe drinking a mojito cocktail on a hot sunny day. It's also been referred to as smelling like the water in a vase that has had cut flowers stored in it for a couple of days, which is quite a good description of how this one smells actually. It's a fairly simple, easygoing and linear fragrance which doesn't really change that much over time, and for the most part I'd describe this one as a cool, minty, green, watery, fresh and zesty kind of fragrance with a little bit of a musky soapiness in the background. The mint and citrus notes do fade a little bit, and you get more of a white musk kind of smell that comes through in the dry down, but like I say, it doesn't really change that much in terms of the overall aroma. There's nothing complex or challenging in this fragrance, so I think that most people will find this one pleasant enough. Yeah, this one is a summer fresh fragrance which is perfect for hot sunny days. It's got a casual daytime feel about it, and it'd be great to wear on holiday, maybe when you're just walking along the beach or a seafront. It'd also be perfect to wear as an office scent or a gym fragrance, or basically any situation when you just want a huge blast of cool, crisp freshness. It's a unisex fragrance, but I'd say that this one leans a touch more feminine, especially in the dry down when the white musk is at its most prominent. It's also got more of a mature character to it, and it's what I'd expect to smell on someone maybe over the age of 30 or maybe even older. It's definitely not a young person's fragrance in my opinion. The performance on this is very good for a fresh fragrance, and it has quite a powerful projection, and you'll still be able to smell it on yourself after about the 7 or 8 hour mark. It will definitely get you noticed, and it's sharp enough to cut through the outdoor fresh air. I've worn this on a few occasions now, and I've kept getting wafts of it throughout the whole day without the need to reapply it, so it really is a pretty good performer for a fragrance in this category. Yeah, this is a really pleasant smelling, simple fragrance that's pretty difficult to review actually, because there's nothing negative to say about it whatsoever, but there's also nothing that I find to be like a wow factor either. It's just mint, green grass and musk, so if that sounds like something that you'd enjoy, then I'm sure you'll really love this one and it might be the one for you. But I don't think I could see myself reaching for this one in the summertime over some of my other like more masculine fresh fragrances. So for that reason, I probably won't keep hold of this one. I'll probably end up listing it on eBay. But like I say, there's absolutely nothing wrong with this or how it smells. I actually do quite like it. Okay, so that's about it for this 4th episode in this week's little mini-series. But don't forget, I'll be back tomorrow to review the penultimate one from this house. And tomorrow's one goes by the name of Remarkable People. So to find out my thoughts on this one, then don't forget to tune in at around about 7 PM tomorrow evening. Also, if you do enjoy the content that I produce and you find it at all useful, then please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to the channel. It's always great to hear your opinions, your thoughts and your critiques on all of the fragrances that feature on this channel, so don't forget to keep your comments coming down in that comments section. So once again, thank you very much for tuning in today. Stay safe, keep smelling fresh, and I'll see you tomorrow for another one. Bye bye for now.